Hi, this is the OPPO A2x and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from power key button on this device. So let's first open the settings and then scroll all the way down to additional settings. Tap to power button and click press and hold the power key and switch voice assistant to power menu. You should switch power menu to voice assistant. And now by pressing hold the power key button and volume up button, we could use the Google Assistant. So as you could see, that's so simple. If you wanna use the power menu, you should just press power key and volume up button by this way. But if you wanna turn on this option, just switch voice assistant to power menu. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.